Let's do an overview of how to use parent departments in our Posio Cloud. In the department section, the first thing I'm going to do is just set up a department as if I would set up any other. But this is the one I want to represent as a parent. So here I have a tobacco department. And if you go in and you look at it, it's just a regular department. It's got a name and a number, and that's it. You just hit update and you've added it. Now, where the magic happens with parent departments is when you tie that parent department to other departments. So for instance, I'm going to just filter to make it easy to view, and I'm going to choose that filter as parent department equals tobacco. Okay, so parent department tobacco, you see right here, and you see two departments, cigarettes and moist smokeless. If you go in and you look at those departments, they're the exact same setup, they just have a name and a number, but under parent department, we've chosen tobacco. Now this can be super helpful. Once you have that all set up and you have any departments you want under the correct parent department, any sales that happen after that moment will show up both in that department and in the parent department. It's important to note that any sales you do before that will not retroactively be updated. So if you do it today and you look at some reports from yesterday, it won't be reflected. Let's look at how that gets used. If we head over to the sales ledger and you scroll down to the department section, you'll see a section for parent departments as the first section. Here's tobacco. It's going to total up everything in the departments that are tied to that parent department and give me a unit count for sales and a dollar amount. A couple of other useful places for parent departments are in your item grid. So you see here the whole item grid is showing. I can choose filter, add a filter, come down to parent POS department, choose that and apply, and I'll see just all the items that are in that parent department. Same thing goes with group change. If I go over to group change and need to filter and make a group change to those, I can just do that exact same filter here to grab all those items and make one group change. I can also come over to the item sales report. By default, it's just the regular report with all your sales. But up here, if you choose to group by parent department and hit apply, then you're going to see each parent department you have and each item sold underneath it. It's important to note that you need to add the parent department to your grid as one of the columns in order for this label to show up here. But you can see each item sold underneath each parent department. Over in the POS department report, because this is a department report, by default you'll see the departments, but there's a toggle up here. If you click that, you'll show parent departments for whatever date range you're looking at. And now I can see for this date, I sold this many and all the other data. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.